we're telling everyone to get out and walk, 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 make sure to protect themselves, wear the sunscreen, but when they're out there walking, they're obviously losing a lot of electrolytes and a lot of other nutrients. What is your suggestion for getting those back, and maybe things that they can do before they go on their walks, after their walks, but also considering, a lot of our patients are diabetic or pre-diabetic, how to do that without spiking their blood sugar?
Right. So your walks early in the morning or later in the evening, not in the middle of the day where the sun is probably best for many people during this hot summer. If you do not have sodium restrictions, you can do a little Celtic salt, a pinch of it in your water. It helps pull the water into the cell. So you want to hydrate before, make sure you have something with you on your walk. If you are feeling a little flushed and from the heat, it's okay to sit down, like take a break, get some more fluids in it, because when we become dehydrated, that heart pumps harder and we feel it in our chest. So we really want to hydrate well during all the time, but during the summer
Yeah, all the time. Yeah,
especially. Yeah.
especially. And we always hear to hydrate, 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 but most of us don't get enough water. Also, with chronic kidney disease patients or ESRD patients, make sure you do check with your doctor on not only, and this is really important, not only what you should be, taking in the parameters around your levels of liquid you should be taking in, but then also if you're out there walking, you need to mention to these doctors, your nephrologist, hey, I'm going out and I'm getting extra exercise in. When I'm getting that extra exercise in, then how do those levels of hydration change? How much water or liquid should I be taking in when I'm also exercising for 30 minutes? And especially even more, I'm going to take it to the next level, also in the heat, because that can really cause huge swings in the hydration in your body.
You can get dehydrated very quickly in the summer months. So looking at the coolest time of the day to be out and walking. So yeah, move the body, walk in the malls if you have to, go to a big grocery store, walk around it. You know, I see a lot of walking groups in our malls and things where people are indoors staying cool, but they're still moving. So
I tell everyone, if you have a Walmart near you, walk in Walmart. Walmart is huge. And they also have Target superstores now, huge superstores. Walk in those. Also, what's really, really fun for me is a Home Depot, because then I'm not actually enticed by the food. And they have really wide aisles to walk in. So you're not really bothering anyone when you're walking in one of those big, Home Depots or Lowe's, type of superstores, because you can just walk around the aisles and walk briskly, and you're not interfering with people checking out the light bulbs and screws.
yeah, and many of the YMCA's and places will allow, if you have Medicare, like discounted or free memberships. So that's another place if there's a track around you. Outdoors, I love to be outdoors, so I'm all for if you can be outdoors, be outdoors. But in the summer, you really gotta. I even know for me when it hit 90 last week, like I had to do stuff really early in the morning or much later at night, and even water walking can be really impactful. So if you have access to a pool, water walking, just getting the lymph moving.